To turn on or off flashlight without unlocking your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, there are three ways that you can use. First, by using the flashlight button on the quick panel. To do so, while you are on your lock screen, swipe down the top of the screen. To turn on the flashlight, tap the flashlight button. If needed, you can adjust its brightness by long tapping the flashlight button. Drag the brightness adjustment bar to the left for a dimmer light, or to the right for a brighter light. Tap down button to close the menu. While to turn off the flashlight, tap the flashlight button again. Second, by using the flashlight on the edge panel, assuming that the tools panel has been added to your edge panel and you have set it to show on your lock screen, you can turn on or off the flashlight from the edge panel on your lock screen. To do so, while you are on your lock screen, swipe the edge panel handle inward to open up the edge panel. Swipe the panel to the left or right to find the tools panel. If the tools panel doesn't display flashlight, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select flashlight. To turn on flashlight, tap the flashlight icon. If needed, you can adjust its brightness by tapping the plus icon for a brighter light, or tap minus icon for a dimmer light. If you need to flash an SOS light, tap the SOS button. While to turn off the flashlight, tap the flashlight icon again. Third, by using Bixby voice command, assuming that you have set your phone to allow you to use Bixby while your phone is locked, you can turn on or off the flashlight by using the voice command. To do so, while you are on your lock screen, to turn on flashlight, say the voice wake up and then say the voice command. Hi Bixby. Turn on the flashlight. Well, to turn off flashlight, say the voice wake up and then say the voice command. Hi Bixby. Turn off the flashlight. So those are three ways that you can use to turn on or off flashlight without you have to unlock your phone. If you have another way that has not been listed here, you can share it through the comment section. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.